Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco, and we're back in the music lab with another banger, you know, people. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, people. Let's see if I can take over the YouTube. Yo. You don't know the Z-Tech boss himself. You know what I'm saying? Mr. Trinidad himself, man. Me I talk about Prince Swanny just dropped a music video like, maybe 30 minutes ago, an hour ago. And we're going to check it out and see what's going on today. Yeah, man, you don't know. Prince Swanny do him thing, dog. You don't know. So we read Prince Swanny over here. So you see me? Big up all of my Trini massive. You see me? All Trini family. You see me? Big up everybody from the Caribbean. You don't know. You see me? Like our dance all and a whole are going. You see me? I have to big up all the artists. But yeah, man, you don't know. We read Prince Swanny over here. You see me? And he just drop a new song entitled Nightmare. And we're going to check it out and see what's going on. You see me? Man, but you already know, guys. We're on the road. Only like 40 some subscribers left for 2K, or 30 some subscribers left for 2K. Go ahead and like and subscribe button. Help your boy out. We're going to 2K. Once we 2K, we're going straight to 10K. We ain't even stopping at 5K. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and like and subscribe button. You don't know, join the family. The latest reaction on YouTube. You don't know. Yeah, man. Be a vibes and energy over here. So yeah, man, guys. Yeah, man. I say when I say yeah, man. Prince Swanny just drop a new track. Like couple minutes ago, you see me, not even 1 hour ago, entitled Nightmare. I'll go check it out and so I'll go on over. Don't know. We read Prince Swanny over here, so you see me, the Z-Tech boss. You see me? So we have to see what I deal with. Yeah, man. And we don't know since Prince Swanny been dropping bangers and hits from out there. So we definitely want to see what I deal with today. So we jump right in the track. We don't even hold up the vibes. This Prince Swanny Nightmare. Let's get it.
First time I touch a mill, me see the whole of them run. Whole of them run. Man, a big one, I that me show about. Big funds, where them don't know about. First time I touch a mill, me see the whole of them.
Yeah, that first time I touch a mill, you see all of them run. My big guns that him know about. Big funds that him sure about. Hey, easy now, no play the Z-Tech, the video clean too, you know. You see me?
All of them run. Walk with no one, see how you none. Say them a killer, but me no know what them done. First time I touch a mill, me see the whole of them run. And them bitch in the room, me make the whole of them come.
So them a killer, me no know when none of them are done. Me no know them doing them power, we matter about killer. You see me, but me have them yelling at the, hey, easy to be a
room just for yes, man. If you call upon me come, everything I get bang. Me answer them question, me no bad man. Them say me Irish banana license. Young man a big one, I that me show about. Big funds where them don't know about. That less, so me no show love.
Prince Swanny be making money, you know that? Hey, Prince Swanny be making money. He ain't got the Swanny in the pole, easy, you know, Prince Swanny. Nigga clean, dog, you know, yellow and white. But yo, this house right here, this mansion right here, or is a villa. Whatever this shit, clean as fuck, you know what I'm saying? Big as fuck. Be a money, put boy Prince Swanny, I make man. Yeah, man, say dog, say have a chrome thing for the yes man. You know, see for the yes man them say one call and you know someone I go get job, you know, no better behave, that be making his money, dog. Yo, Prince Swanny big yourself.
Guns to bring the show down. Movie them nobody like it. No boy can't tell me none when them all hiding. We do one thing while for them backside it. I miss the fuck the whole of them.
You can't tell me nothing when them are hide. You see me I say. And we know all of them are backsliding up and when word down with them say no. Yeah, let me know if you read Prince Swanny in the comment section. You see me? It's Prince Swanny a song with artists I listen to. And if you're in Trinidad, let me know if you read Prince Swanny. How big is Prince Swanny? People read Prince Swanny on the ground, or is he one of them commercial artists and never just people over the state with. Let me know how go on.
Fuck the whole of them one time. Straight gunshot. Money as the code man pre. Bank teller. The whole of BGS and crew. Fuck Della. Me no read no for run up them out Della.
Who are Della? Yeah, it's not a place or somebody. Is this a diss? Let me know in the comment section, bro. Yeah, down here, Nightmare, Blows and Skirp, Swan done.
I'm pussy them, from them part, pussy them a pussy friend. Me I'm one big dad and little puppy friend. Go for them drive by every zip dump it.
The man say, yo, from them part with pussy, them a pussy friend. You see me, I'm a one big dog. Me not want no puppy friend. I want to easy.
The 15 dog got decided at the Eminem. Coming a friend again. You could have be group up with about 10 of them. Every day we live in their mind like nightmare bed. Them only have some rule, I must be element.
Living at their mind like nightmare bed. Easy.
With the fuck them
Right there
feel
on the
like
bus
now
leave.
we have brooms and we pushing for real. Know the boy them love drink, know them love gal plus they love party.
Say man say yo, I'm in them think you know we have broom and we have push it for real. I don't think a broom for sweep house, you know. And we say me know them boy they love gal and they love party, you know. So basically I say we set up them boy there. Who that attack? Hey, man, I drop some word. What's Della? Who's Della? See me, you know if it's a place or somebody with a chat boom. Let me know in the comment section, guys.
Walk with me one, see how you none. Say them a killer, but me no know what them done. First time me touch a mill, me see the whole of them run. All them bitch in them room, me make the whole of them come. Split 40 with chrome, just for a yes man. If me call upon me come, everything I get bang. Me answer them question.
Yeah, yes man, you see me I say, I'm tear that.
Me no bad man, them say.
Mama nice, I say, you know, easy mama, easy yourself. Hey.
Me a wrist banana like
tattoos, Lord Shiba.
Young man a big one, I that me show about. Big funds, where them don't know about. Heartless, so me no show love. Big guns, they bring the show up.
Heartless, so me no show love. Big guns, I that me show.
Movie, them no bad like him. No boy can't tell me none when them all hiding. We do we one thing while up for them backsiding. Man, me support the whole of them.
Man say movie they not bad like him. You know what I'm saying? No boy can't tell me nothing when them all hiding. Who ma talk? Who chat and hide? Who we talking about? Which cover them talk about that? Ballap. Whoa. What you mean? Swandan pan them blouse and skirt. Big up yourself, Swandan. You see me the Z-Tech boss himself. You don't know Prince Swanny. Yeah, that was a banger, dog. But that's a banger, but that's all like a diss, guys. Let me know what's going on. What me I'm missing that song there? And who's Della? You see me, is that a person or that's a place? What go on? You see me, cause that's a fuck Della and a dog. You see me what I'm saying? But yeah man, dog, big up Swandan, big up Trinidad, big up the whole Z-Tech crew, you know what I'm saying? Yo, big up the whole Trinidad, big up the whole Caribbean, you see me, big up the whole dancehall genre and everybody will love dancehall and music. Yeah man. Be a mad tune a drop for the summer, be a vibes, dog. I'm like him, I love him. So I know I love it, dog. I know anything about the comment section. Definitely go show to your artist on love and support. Make sure Jambisco dance. You know, you don't know. I said the vibes there and the energy there. Nobody now have the vibes and the energy like we. You know what I'm saying? I will definitely cover all I sang them. You see me, I deal there and see what I go on, any clashing thing go on, anything I go on with the pan that. You see me? Yeah man, we cover everything. You see me? I'm there for the music, all of the hits and the bang of them. I don't know what time it is. It's a boy Jambisco. Definitely check out the community tab. Check out other videos. You know I got other videos by Prince Swanny, other artists. So definitely check out that. As I said, the boy only 30 away from 2K, 30 plus away from 2K. Go hit that like and subscribe. Probably like 35 or something away from 2K. So hit that like and subscribe. Turn on post notification bell. You don't know, share the video. Yo, just join Littest family, Littest reaction on YouTube. Yeah, small, but we're growing. But I said the vibes and real energy there. We can bring the real, authentic vibes and energy and tune them. You see me? So join. Like and subscribe. I don't know. So boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.